The device itself is actually very, very well made. When I first got it, I was quite surprised. It's on a thick, well, first of all, it looks like it isn't, right? It looks like it's just going to fall apart whenever you get it. But looks can be very deceiving. While it's very thin, the buttons feel very nice. The buttons are also laid out very evenly. None of the wiring or any of the soldering, none of it looks bad at all. It actually looks quite unique. You can see the little LEDs underneath each thing. If I hit play real quick, you can kind of see them. It's got such fun little unique animations here at the top with a microphone built into the device. It also has a mic input and a headphone output, which is quite nice. It has this little lock thing, so if you want, you can disable this from recording any new audio, which I could see being helpful if you have a really unique KO sampler and you want to keep it forever, but I would never do that. The knobs themselves feel very, very nice. They both do exactly what you want to do, and you can see they actually show up on the actual screen, which is super helpful. The stand is probably the flimsiest part of this whole thing. It comes off, but I've found that if you use it in certain ways, sometimes it'll just come off on its own, which can be kind of annoying. It doesn't stay on as well as I would like it to. The batteries have not failed me. They do not fall out whatsoever. And it's also nice that on the back they even have a little bit of information and a little God gives the nuts, but he does not crack them meme here at the bottom. Very fun. I enjoy everything that they've done with this. If you're looking for a fun sampler that will allow you to break some norms that maybe you've built up in music, this is definitely the place to look because it is so freaking unique. I totally recommend this.